Hello, good morning. Welcome to Science Sport. This is teacher Lovely again. So how are you today? So let's continue chapter 1, Plants Life. So before we're going to start our lesson for today, let's review our lesson last meeting. So we talk about stomata. What do you think is stomata? Can you still remember? Stomata, there are tiny openings. Yes, very small. You cannot see with your eyes. You need a microscope. Allow gas exchange and transpiration. Remember when carbon dioxide get inside and oxygen get out in the leaf, and then transpiration when water gets out. So that is the function, that is the importance of stomata. How about guard cells? Guard cells allow stomata to open and close. Yes, the stomata can open and can close because of guard cells. Next, guard cells control gas exchange and transpiration. Yes, too much carbon dioxide inside the plant is not good. Guard cells control enough carbon dioxide is good. So, as well as the oxygen. Release too much oxygen is not good for the plant. So guard cells control enough oxygen released, good for the plant, as well as the water. Too much water gets out from the plant is not good. So guard cell control the transpiration. So that is the stomata and guard cells. So can you please open your book on page 8? So today we are going to talk about transpiration. I have a question. Do plants sweat? In people, in human, sweat is like sweating. The water comes out from inside your body. That's sweating. How about plants? Do plants sweat? So later you will know the answer. So look at this picture here. This is a leaf. You can see the color blue here. What are these? These are tiny water droplets. Yes, these are tiny water droplets. Where does it come from? Comes from inside the leaf. How? When the stomata is open, the water can get out or comes out. So what do you call that one? That is what we call transpiration. Again, transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water vapor. In short or easy term, when the water gets out from the leaf, that is transpiration. Water gets out or comes out from the leaf through stomata, when the stomata is open. Next, why? Why does the plant do that? Why does the plant release or the water gets out from the plant? To cool itself. Yes, when the plant feels hot, the water will get out. Why? To cool itself. Next, look at this picture here. There is a girl. She is under the sun, and you can see there are tiny water droplets here. This is from her body. What happened? Why does it happen? Because it is what we call perspiring or sweating. Again, perspiring or sweating. So transpiration is like the same, perspiring or sweating. Transpiration for plants, perspiring or sweating for human or people. How the water gets out from the leaf? It's because of the transpiration pool. Again, transpiration pool. So this transpiration pool helps the water here moves up and it can get out. So that is transpiration pool. So do you understand? Do you have any questions? If you have any questions or problems, please ask Teacher Lovely. All right? Okay, let's move on. So can you please open your book on page 19? So activity 1.4, transpiration experiment. So what are the materials that we need? Plant, big plastic bag. It's better to use white, clear plastic bag so you can see the plant inside. Steps. Cover the plant with a plastic bag and place under the sun. Look like this. So cover the plant, cover it tightly and put and place under the sun. Step 2. Observe the plant after a few minutes. After a few minutes, look at what happened. What do you see inside the plastic bag? You see the small circle? What are these? These are water droplets. Yes, tiny water droplets. Where does it come from? It's not raining. You see there is a sun. It's sunny, not raining. The water cannot get inside. How comes there are water? Yeah, on the on the plastic bag. Where does it come from? It comes from inside the plant, inside the leaf. Yes, it gets out from the leaf. Why? It's because it's hot. Because there is a sun, the plant feels hot. So it releases or the water gets out from the leaf so that the plant feels cool, not hot. So let's answer this question. Number 4. What do you see inside the plastic bag? Let's see. What do you see inside the plastic bag? What do you call that one? I said it already. That is what we called. I can see tiny water droplets. Yes, tiny water droplets. Next, number 5. Where did the tiny water droplets come from? Where did the tiny water droplets come from? This one here, where does it come from? It comes from the tiny water droplets came from inside the leaf. Yes, the tiny water droplets came from inside the leaf. Next, number 6. What do you call this process? Explain. What do you call this process? Explain. When this one, what do you call this process when the water comes out? What do you call the one when water comes out from the leaf? That is what we call transpiration. So for your homework, you're going to answer page number 7 and number 8, page 19. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and goodbye. See you around.